Before we start, please stand for the opening prayer and give thanks to the Lord. Who will lead the prayer? Yes, Julia, please lead the prayer.
In the Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit.
Amen.
Amen. The Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit.
Okay, before you sit, please pick up the pieces of paper and trash. Pamunit sa og mga sagbot sa inyuhang mga bangko sa palibot. Okay, I think everybody's done. Good morning, everyone. Another wonderful day. How are you?
Okay, ma'am.
That's good to hear. Are there any absent today?
None, ma'am.
Very good. Before we start our class today, let me ask you this question. What will you do if the teacher is talking in front?
Observe silence and listen attentively, ma'am.
Very good. How about if you want to answer? What will you do?
Raise our left or right hand, teacher.
Exactly. Another thing is, what should a learners must do if we have activities? Sige, Miss Rapper.
We should participate in all activities, teacher.
Very good. Now, before we start, can anyone recall what was our previous lesson? Miss Rapper again.
It's all about division of whole numbers, teacher.
Very well said. And what are the three components of division? Anyone in the class? Yes.
Ma'am, the three components of division are the quotient, dividend, and divisor.
Perfect. Let's give her a warm of applause. Class, today we will have a game. Are you all excited?
Yes, teacher!
So listen carefully to the instruction. We will have a group dynamics and you will be divided into three. After that, you will be able to form a circle with your group and I will give you several simple mathematical equations. The first one or group who raise their whiteboards with the correct answer will gain a point. Is it clear, class, or shall I repeat it?
Is it? Yes, ma'am. Is it here?
Yes, okay. Alright, group 1 will stay here, group 2 and group 3. So, go with your group mates now. Okay, let's start. All you have to do is to raise your whiteboards. Number 1. 10 times 12 equals. That's very good. Group 1. Group 1, got the point. Number 2, 81 divided by 9. What's the answer? Yes, group 3, got the correct answer, 9. Then, 1000 divided by 100. Alright, group 2. And then, 400 divided by 8. 400 divided by 8. Alright, group 3 again. 15 times 20. Alright, group 1 got the right answer. 89 minus 30. Alright, very good, group 3. Alright, very good, everyone. Congratulations, all. Our winner for today is the group 3. Let's give them a warm round of applause. Did you all have fun?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
It was great.
Excellent! If you noticed what you did earlier in the game, you solved the equations using the 4 fundamental operations in mathematics. And our lesson for today has something to do with the operations. Can anyone know what our lesson is? Yes, Ms. Rapper?
Ma'am, it is the equations with different operations in it and following the MDAS rule.
Very good, that's correct. Our lesson this time is about MDAS, which stands for M for multiplication, D for
Division,
A for,
addition,
and S for.
subtraction.
So that's the meaning of MDAS. But before that, I have here the objectives for our lesson for today. Okay, class, please read our objectives for today. Objectives.
At the end of the lesson, the learners are expected to
Letter A.
represent and explain multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction.
Letter B.
Realize the importance of following rules.
And letter C.
Follow the MDAS rule and solving series of operation.
Very good. That's our objectives for today. So with the same group class, you are going to discover something about the lesson today. Kindly gather with your group mates for we will have an activity. Good to your group mates. Alright, everybody's done. Each group will have a worksheet and I'm looking forward that everyone must cooperate. Once finished, you have to discuss with the representative of your group. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's start. Here's the activity for group 1, group 2, and for group 3. Alright. I will only give you 15 minutes to answer the activity. Okay, time's up. Who will be the representative of group 1? Group 1. This is the output of group 1. Who will be your representative? Julia, please come here in front. Alright. Thank you for your cooperation, group 1. Let's give a sabungan clap for group 1. Sabungan. Alright, group 2, who will be your representative? I forgot this one. Alright, group 2. Okay, group 2. Group 2. Alright, thank you. Let's give a clap for group 2. Last but not the least, we have the group 3. Here's the output of group 3. Who will be the representative of group 3? Discuss it with your classmate. Very good. Let's give them a sabungan clap again. Everyone did great and all of you followed the instructions. Don't make a noise. In solving expressions using the MDAS rule, the multiplication and division must be solved first. After that, addition and subtraction should proceed. So, in solving MDAS, the first operation that we need to solve is the multiplication. And then, after that, it will be followed by division, addition, and subtraction. So, here's the example. Can you read it?
6 plus 8 divide 4 times 6 minus 8 equals.
What will be the answer? Alright. So, as what I've said earlier, the first operation that we need to solve is the multiplication or the division. So, in here, we solve first the division. We copy the 6 and then the plus sign. And then 8 divided by 4 is 2. Times 6 minus 8 equals. And then the next thing we do is we solve the multiplication operation. So we need to copy again the 6 plus 2 times 6 is equal to 12 minus 8 equals. And then the last thing that we need to do is the subtraction. So 6 plus 12 is equal to 18 minus 8 is equal to 10. So the answer here is 10. Very good. Alright, let's have another example and try solving it by yourself. So here's the example. Another example. Who wants to answer? Alright, thank you. Very good, everyone. Did everybody get the same answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Do you have any questions regarding our lesson today?
None, ma'am.
So, because you have nothing, you don't have a questions, let's have a recap. What does MDAS stands for? Yes, Miss Rapper.
Multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction.
Very good. What does MDAS rule state? Yes.
In solving expression using the MDAS rule, the multiplication and division operation must be solved first. After that, addition and subtraction should proceed.
Very well said. Class, let me ask you a question. Why do you think that we need to follow the MDAS rule in solving series of mathematical expression? Anyone in the class? Yes, Ms. Rapper.
We need to follow the MDAS rule, ma'am, in solving series of mathematical expressions so we can avoid confusion and get the correct answer.
That's correct. Just like in life class, we need to follow rules in order to avoid confusion and chaos. Rules are made us to keep us safe. Do you agree with that?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright. What are the rules that you know aside from the MDAS rule?
Ma'am, we need to follow the traffic rules to avoid crash and collision in the road.
That's correct. We need to follow the traffic rules. That is for our safety. So we must follow it. Another one, another answer. Who wants to answer? Yes, again.
We should follow the rules of our parents, ma'am.
Very well said. We should follow the rules of our parents because it is for our own good. They only want what's the best for us. Do you agree with that?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now, to check if you really understand our lesson, we will have a short quiz. kindly get one whole sheet of paper. One whole sheet of paper. Do you already have a paper?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Everyone, please observe proper behavior during the quiz. No standing and running inside the room. No one are allowed to talk to their seatmates during the quiz. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, all right. Read carefully the direction.
Solve the following expression that shows series of operations. Follow the MDAS rule to get the correct answer.
All right. Please start answering now. I will give you 15 minutes to answer that. All right. 15 minutes is over. Pass your papers. All right. Everyone did a great job. Let's give everyone a wonderful clap. Alright. For your assignment, study in advance about factors. What is your assignment?
Study advanced factors.
Alright, very good. That will be our next topic for tomorrow. So before you go home, please pick up some pieces of paper in your chairs. And then put all your things inside your bag. Make sure no things would be left. Hurry. Alright, everyone is done. So who will lead our closing prayer? Alright, Julia, please lead the prayer.
In the name of the Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit.
Amen.
In the name of the Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit.
Goodbye, class.
Goodbye, Ma'am Noronio.
Thank you.